Hey guys, welcome back. This is Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're really excited to do this unboxing video that you guys been asking for. This is the iPhone 10R that we bought from Walmart.com through the family mobile carrier for $250 with taxes and so on. It was really cheap because this is a brand new iPhone 10R in coral color that we bought off the site because they had a deal going on. And just to show you guys that you can score some really good deals sometimes from Walmart.com, sometimes from eBay, Amazon, like we did with other unboxing video for you guys. If you guys want to check those out, we'll leave the links to those in the comment or the description section. But this video is specifically for the Walmart one are going to be doing. This is the very first one we're doing, and we're probably going to do a lot more. If you guys have other requests, leave a comment in the comment section. But before we go ahead and get started with today's unboxing video for you guys, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaway, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for other phones at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So it came in a bigger box that we took it out, and then there was inside that box was this box itself, and that's why we're taking this off. You don't see the label and stuff because it was in the bigger box we had. So this is a smaller box, and because we couldn't fit it in the frame, but it comes in pretty nicely packaged. It took about 3 to 4 days, I believe, like 4 days or so after you order it. Sometimes it gets sooner depending on where you live, but through Walmart it's pretty safe as long as you buy through the app, and especially if you're buying it from a carrier like Family Mobile. I believe it's part of Walmart's plan. You have to either be on that plan, or if you can get the phone unlocked, and getting the phone unlocked is a little bit tricky, so wouldn't recommend it if you aren't planning on using it for like it says Family Mobile here example. We're not going to be using it for Family Mobile, but it's just to show you guys that you can score these kind of phones off Walmart for a pretty discounted price. So we're going to go ahead and put this aside. As you can see, it's here. Let's have a simple wrapping and then the actual Family Mart card. So we'll put the box aside for you guys so you guys can take a look and see the phone here. As you can see here, this is the coral color of it, and on the back here is the Family Mobile SIM and activation. So if we are using it for Family Mobile, of course you can use it. The thing about it is that you don't have to use a carrier. If you buy it from a carrier, you can use the phone on Wi-Fi if you simply don't want to activate servers. That's another thing. Some people buy a phone to just have a backup or to use it on Wi-Fi to do things like use it for a FaceTime, iMessage. That all of that can be done if you have just any regular old Apple ID and account. And as you can see, this is a package, brand new iPhone 10R for $250. It's pretty much a steal because these phones right now currently in the Apple store, if you bought it new, are going for around $499, $599 depending on the model. Of course, this is a 64 gig, hence why it's a little bit on the lower end, but nonetheless it's still a great phone. And we're gonna go ahead and take this out here. So simply, we did a in-depth unboxing of this phone in our channel as well, if you guys want to check that out. But this one specifically for Family Mobile here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this film up and put that aside. And as you can see here, the box here that we have for it, if you guys can see, as you can see, the box is slimmed down. If you guys remember in the past, we're going to show you guys how the box used to look, which used to be bigger, but since Apple started to remove some of the stuff, as you can see, this is the older of the iPhone 10R. If you got it in the past, you'll see that box is huge compared to the newer one where they trimmed down and took out the headphone and the actual wall adapter that you can get. And the wall adapter, to show you guys how the wall adapter is going to be something like that. You have to buy it yourself, which is kind of annoying because that itself is $29.99 that you have to pay additional. So as you can see here, the phone is brand new. This is the coral color. It looks more pinkish and orange mix in between, somewhere probably darker pink and a lighter orange. So that's kind of to show you guys how that would look. And because it is a brand new box, like we mentioned, they only include that USB-C charger, which if you don't have a MacBook or if you don't have those wall adapter, you have to go ahead and purchase one. It won't work on the 5-watt one. This is actually 18-watt one, or you can also get this in 20 watts, so you're gonna have to go additionally purchase that on your own. And as you can see with any new boxes like Apple has been doing, they put a little pamphlet here with the SIM ejector tool. So if you need to put your SIM card in, you'll do that, and then Apple sticker, and then safety and handling. So those are the typical stuff you usually get whenever you buy any Apple device, the simple stuff, and of course the box itself. So if we take a look at the phone here, you'll notice it is a new phone, so there's really not anything to unbox here. The both front and back is glass. The iPhone XR is, if you remember from our other video, it's still a great device in mid 2021, and because Apple is still selling it on their website, you can actually get it on the website. That means this phone is going to be supported for another, most likely another 3 to 4 years, no doubt, and it will be a great device. It is a 3-year-old device that was released in 2018, and right now mid 2021 it's 3 years old. But this phone is probably one of the unique design phones you have, because you can get it in multiple colors like the iPhone 10 and the 11 lineup. But in the iPhone 11 12 lineup, you can get the 10. This is the only one that comes in the iPhone regular 10, and the 10s doesn't come in these colors. You can only get it on those base colors. So if you're looking for a unique color, this is where the iPhone XR comes in. And the iPhone XR has a huge screen. It's a 6.1 liquid LCD retina display. So we're going to go ahead and set this up here quickly. Just go through the setup here, select our Wi-Fi. We're going to just take this off a little bit so we can put our passcode in there. So we're putting in our passcode here, and as you can see for our demo account here, it's going to go ahead and take this setup process, which simply reaches out to the Apple servers there to make sure the device is good and there's no issues with it. This is really important. This is simply the way you set up any phone. Basically, it's just a simple connecting to the internet. If you don't have internet, Wi-Fi like that, you can connect it through the cable to iTunes, or you can use the cellular data as well. That works as well. So data and privacy, you're going to hit and continue. Face ID, as you know, starting with the iPhone 10 lineup, all the phones that are all screen display don't have Touch ID or fingerprint anymore. You have to use your Face ID. You can set that up now, or you can come back and set it up later. For our purposes, we're just going to simply bypass through all of this, simply not set it up, but highly recommended. Of course, you're going to do all of this like setting up a passcode. And then apps and data, you want to make sure you're storing from either your iCloud backup or holding your other phone next to it, do a transfer that way. Or if you simply just want to start fresh, you don't have to do any of that. Apple ID, you're going to want to sign into your Apple ID if you have one. If you don't, it's free to create. Or if you forgot your password, just simply follow these steps here and it will guide you to either creating a new one for free, or if you really want to reset your password, you can also do that. You'll get an email and just follow the instruction, or simply not select not to have it. But if you don't have it, remember, you won't be able to use a lot of the services, like being able to actually download apps besides the default one, using iCloud, using iMessage, FaceTime, and Wallet, and much more that you get out of the Apple services. So as you can see here, we're just not simply doing it. But again, if you set it up, go to your settings again, you can sign in again there. Terms and agreement, all the legal stuff, you're going to have to agree. Express settings here, same thing. Usually we just hit continue through all of this, Siri and all of that. You can set it up, or just simply hit continue here. Analytics, True Tone Display, yada yada, and a little bit more. All of that we explained in other videos, so that's why we're going right through. And as you can see here, we are at the main screen, good to go. This phone is pretty legit for $250. The iPhone XR on Walmart. This is pretty much a bargain. That's the reason why we bought this. As you know, we buy unboxing video for you guys to show you guys how you guys can score good deals like that. And that's why, if you guys haven't checked it out on other unboxing video, we link you guys and tell you guys how to score these kind of deals. Make sure you guys check those out, and we're going to be doing a lot more of these kind of unboxing video where we tell you guys where you can find this deal right now. As of right now, you can actually go to Walmart and find this deal. Or if you go to Total Wireless, recently started to do this kind of deal with this version of model, specifically this color. Not sure why, maybe it's a less popular color, but some of the carriers are starting to go where you're able to buy this phone half the price that you would pay at the Apple store, and that's why it's a good deal. And like we mentioned, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because these deals we're going to be posting a lot more. We're going to actually be posting it out in our Twitter account. If you guys don't know our Twitter handle, just search that up, or our Facebook page. Just search up Technomentary there and you follow us there so you guys can get these kind of deals. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and like button. See you guys next time.